Welcome to this NissanConnect app tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the application and understand the function of each feature. Let's begin with the main screen. On the home screen, you'll see your vehicle name along with NissanConnect Services features. You can also view your vehicle status, estimated fuel range, vehicle health, monitoring, driving history, and vehicle service information. Now let's take a closer look at the vehicle health section. First, we have tire pressure. Here, you can monitor your tire pressure monitoring system, also known as TPMS. If low tire pressure is detected in one or more tires, a warning notification will appear to alert you. Next is the brake system. If there is an issue with your vehicle's brake system, a warning message will be displayed. Please note that driving with a brake system malfunction can be dangerous, and the vehicle should be inspected as soon as possible. Moving on to the anti-lock braking system, or ABS. If the ABS is not functioning properly, a warning will appear. The ABS helps you maintain steering control during sudden or heavy braking. Next is the airbag system, also known as the Supplemental Restraint System, or SRS. The SRS warning light monitors both the airbag system and the seatbelt pretensioner system. If a warning appears, the system should be checked and serviced promptly to ensure passenger safety. Now, let's look at the engine malfunction indicator light, or MIL. This warning appears if the system detects a potential issue with the engine control system. If displayed, it is recommended to have the vehicle inspected by an authorized service center. Lastly, the oil pressure warning. This alert appears when low oil pressure is detected. Please remember, this warning does not indicate a low oil level. Be sure to check your engine oil level regularly using the dipstick. This concludes the overview of the vehicle health section. Now, let's move on to the monitoring tab. In this section, you can set up monitoring alerts for specific vehicle events. You can create an area restriction alert and receive a notification if the vehicle enters a defined boundary. You can also set an alert to be notified if the vehicle exits a defined area. Additionally, you can set a curfew alert and receive a notification if the vehicle is driven outside of an allowed time period. You can also configure a speed alert by setting a maximum speed limit. If the vehicle exceeds this limit, you will receive a notification. You can tap to add new monitoring alerts, customize them according to your preferences, and enable or disable them at any time. Next, let's look at vehicle usage statistics, or driving history. In this section, you can view detailed statistics about your vehicle usage. The app will display the total number of trips for the selected period. Please note that one ignition on-off cycle is counted as one trip. The app will also display the total distance traveled by the vehicle and the total time the vehicle was driven. You can select the reporting period as daily, monthly, or yearly. Now let's dive into the Vehicle Service tab. In this section, you can set a reminder when your vehicle is due for service. You have the option to schedule the reminder based on time, mileage, or whichever comes first. To set the reminder, simply enter the next service due date and the due mileage in the fields provided below. For example, you may set the service interval to 6 months for the time-based schedule and 10,000 kilometers for the mileage-based schedule. Once both values are entered, the system will track them and notify you when either the time or mileage threshold is reached, whichever comes first. This helps ensure your vehicle stays properly maintained and serviced on time. Next, let's look at the bottom tab. Here you will find the Home button, Navigation to Vehicle, Notification History, Frequently Asked Questions support, and Profile settings. In the Navigation to Vehicle section, you can view the live location of your vehicle. To begin, tap on Navigate to Vehicle. The route will automatically open in the Map app you selected, providing turn-by-turn directions to your vehicle. Please make sure that location services are turned on your smartphone in order to use the routing function properly. Next, let's look at the Notification History section in more detail. In this section, you can review all alerts and notifications related to your vehicle and account activity. Each notification is displayed with the date, time, and type of alert, making it easy to track when events occurred. The notifications are arranged in chronological order, with the most recent notification appearing at the top of the list. Now, let's move on to the FAQ and Support tab in more detail. At the top, you can select your support country. Choosing the correct country ensures that the information, contact details, and services displayed are relevant to your region. Below the country selection, you'll find a range of helpful support resources. The webpage FAQ provides answers to commonly asked questions about the app's features, functions, and troubleshooting steps. This is a great place to start if you are experiencing a minor issue or need clarification about a feature. You will also find the Nissan Assistant, which offers guided support and helpful advice to assist you with common inquiries. Next, let's look at the Contact Us section. Here, you have the option to contact support online, allowing you to submit inquiries directly through the platform. You can also find the details for your local customer service, so you can speak with a representative for more personalized assistance. The FAQ and Support tab ensures that help is always available, whether you prefer self-service resources or direct customer support. In this section, you can view and manage your personal account settings. Here, you can check or edit your profile information, including your personal details. You can also enable or disable notifications based on your preferences. This section allows you to customize your preferred unit of measurement, such as selecting kilometers or miles, depending on your region. You can also customize your screen mode, adjusting the display settings according to your preference. Under Vehicle Information, you can set or update your vehicle details, as well as deactivate or reactivate your vehicle connection if needed. Additionally, you can check the application version to ensure you are using the latest release. You may also review important documents such as the terms of use and terms and conditions directly within the app. If necessary, you have the option to delete your account from this section. And finally, you can log out of the app securely at any time. The Profile tab gives you full control over your account settings, preferences, and vehicle information. In case you encounter any errors while using the app, please ensure that your application is updated to the latest version available on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store before contacting the Nissan call center. Updating to the latest version may resolve common technical issues and improve overall performance. For your security, please remember never to share your login password with any call center agent or third party. Nissan representatives will not ask for your password.